Most people think AI is just a chatbot that you ask questions to, almost like Google, but the future belongs to ambient AI, tools that work in the background while you focus on high level strategy. Today, we're deep diving into the Bitrix24 Copilot to show you the future of AI and how it's moving beyond simple conversations to become an autonomous engine that understands your business and context and brings your operations and does it for you. Let's get into it. Welcome back, everyone. So this is a Bitrix24, and it is a ultimate workspace from collaboration, CRMs, tasks, sites, and HR. It is the co-pilot that really lives inside your CRM, does your tasks, and knows the understanding of your business and the data that drives it. And you don't have to do all of the manual prompting. It acts as an invisible partner that assists in real time.
So one of my favorite features is the CRM tool. And as you can see here, um, we have quite a bit of things we can do. So as you can see, we can receive payments, we can send an email, we can right here just send it built in from, you know, whatever we want to do. We can use Copilot to send and summarize an email, to write an email, whatever that is, right from the dashboard here. And it has Copilot built in, which is pretty sweet. So we can go ahead and see that it's typing this whole email out, which is a proposal followed on website design proposal or project with our information. And we can easily just send this out, but this is so easy to do. We just have to delete this and we are pretty much solid. Obviously, you would want to change out all this information, but that is pretty much the gist of it. It is so easy to use AI to send out an email to a potential customer. And just like that, we were able to do it.
And is just a game changer. And as you can see, people are just loving it. I mean, it is just hit some of the top lists for CRM, task management, business intelligence for 2026. It is game changing how it's able to really do everything you would want it to do, from transcribing audio calls to summarizing long comment threads in concise, actionable checklists. It is the team leader that helps you stay informed on projects so you can progress without reading every single message. So, what I love about Copilot is it's able to do so many different things. I mean, from a checklist, it literally saves 30% more time by using Copilot to summarize transcriptions, tasks, meetings, whatever that is. And it's a game changer to be able to do that. Really save 30% or more of time. That's just hours of management time that you previously didn't need to do. And so it is great for managers or for directors or anything that really that you run a team with. So as you can see, it's summary of this discussion, put it into actionable steps, finalize the CTA, resolve the QA, confirm the launch timing of the campaign. And we have another one here: task completion data, team involvement, workflow bottlenecks, all built in right here. Also, a summarize of the SEO we needed to get done. So it's overdue and delay tasks, streamline task dependencies, monitor in progress tasks, and so forth. And this is probably one of the best use cases that I use it for, is definitely the CRM. I mean, it has everything we want for a CRM. There's client relationships management tool. We have our inventory, customer sales, analytics. You can see our deals and our leads here. We have our quick leads, 15,000, 1,000, 10,000, 15,000. What are overdue and what's kind of idle. Our deal list. So everything in the pipeline and where they are in the pipeline. So in progress, proposal sent, new and final invoice, which is coming up. We have our customers here with contacts, which I obviously can't show. We have our sales channels from our phone, webmail, messengers, sales management, sales center, as well as CRM invoices that have been sent out, estimates, AI speech analytics, and sales scripts, which are great for our sales team, and repeat sales or upsales. All is built in. You have signing parties, so you can send out contracts, even vendors. And then you have all your analytics, which is huge for business owners. You have ABC analytics, deals and products, cohorts. You have products, pairs, deal analytics. We have lead generation, deal activity, sales trends, call analytics. So making sure our salespeople are on point, smart automations, and then all of your settings and so forth. So it is a game changer when it comes to a CRM. I love how I'm able to really maintain a high quality human touch while using the speed of automation. And it's just a game changer with AI. We're really able to take our business to the next level by using predictive nature of the AI to forecast the projects and sales and how they should succeed by the power of using AI, just by knowing all of our business data. So if you're ready to experience the next level of business intelligence, start your 15-day free trial with Bitrix24 today and see how Copilot can transform your workflow. Link is in the description, and you definitely want to try it today.